Welcome back. We have statements for today's lecture. So what is statements in Python? Statement in Python when we have if condition and we use if, elif and else. The first type of statement we have is if statement. Here we have if condition, and if this condition right, we will execute this code. That's the first type of statement we have here in Python. The second type of statement is if-else statement. Here we use if condition. If the condition right, we will execute the code. If it's not right, this condition, we will execute else code. Here you can see we have only one condition, it will be the if condition. Else has no conditions. If condition not right, we will execute only else condition. We don't have many conditions here. The third type of statement we have is if, elif and else statement. Here we use if and we have condition. If the condition right, we execute the code. If it's not right, we go to elif condition here. If elif condition right, we will execute elif code. If it's not right, then we go to else and execute the code from else. Else has no condition as we told before, and we can use how many elif we want. There is no limitation for elif in Python. And elif stands for else if. That's what elif stands for. So let's see in practice what it looks like. So let's start here with one example. We write here for x in range, and let's make range from 0 to 101. And here we make our if statement, or our first if statement. If x divided by 2 will give us remainder equal to 0, we will here print, we make f string x is divisible with 2. Let's hit run. We got here all the number that is divisible with 2. 0 divisible with 2, 2 divisible with 2, 4, and so on to 100. So we have the condition here, if x divided by 2 will give us a remainder equal to 0, this statement will execute, or this code will execute. Only if statement here, but we can make here as well if else statement. We can here hit else and we can execute the code here, print and f string, and here right now x is odd number, and we hit run. We got here if number is not divisible with 2, we'll have this one here, like 33 is odd number, 21 is odd number, and so on. So we got number divisible with 2 and number that not divisible with 2 is like odd number. Let's make second condition and third statement, if elif statement. We have here elif x divided by 3 will give us a remainder like 0. This we will print, this number will be f string. We make here x is divisible with 3, and we hit run. We got here, like for example, 99 is divisible with 3, 97 is odd number because it's not divisible with 3 or nor with 2. So here we called odd number. So Python looked for if statement. If the number is divisible with 2, we got here if the number is not divisible with 2, we go to Alif statement. We got it here, like this one here, the number is divisible with 3, 81. And if not, then we will go to else and put them there. Let's make another Alif statement. Here we make a condition when x is divisible with 5, we'll have reminder like 0, or when, yes, we will print f string x is divisible with 5, and we hit run. We got here 95 is divisible with 5, 100 is divisible with 2. We can see here like if statement is stronger than Alif statement. Here 100 is divisible with 2 and divisible with 5, but we got like is divisible with 2 because we have this statement here. And if is stronger than Alif statement. That's why we got is divisible with 2 but not with 5. And here else statement, we have this one here, it's odd number. But we can call these numbers here is not odd number, we can call them prime number. Prime numbers. Right now we sorted the number with 4 categories here. Divisible with 2, divisible with 3, divisible with 5, and prime number. We know prime number is like the number when the number is not divisible with any number, only himself, only the number by itself, or by 1. We hit run. We got here 97 is prime number, 91 is prime number, 83 prime number, and so on. We can make like a very long range, and we see the numbers who is prime number. So we made here a program to see the prime numbers. So that was all for now. See you in the next lecture.